In United States we say, how are you? In China we say, ni hao ma. In Brazil we say, tudo bem. In South Africa we say, how's it? In France we say, ça va. In Japan we say, o genki desu ka. In Nigeria we say, how far. In Australia we say, how you go. In India we say, okay. Say hi. In Germany we say, in Mexico we say, ¿cómo estás? In Egypt we say, Isaiah. In Argentina we say, ¿cómo estás? In Canada we say, how's it going? In Italy we say, in Kenya we say, habariako. In South Korea we say, Jalgines yo yo. In Spain we say, ¿qué tal? In Morocco we say, lavas. In Thailand we say, sabaidi. In New Zealand we say, how's it going? In Turkey we say, nasus. In Ghana we say, tzhin. In Indonesia we say, apakaba. In United Kingdom we say, you right. In Colombia we say, in Saudi Arabia we say, khuareiah. In Tanzania we say, habari. In Switzerland we say, in Fiji we say, in Uganda we say, oliotia. In Senegal we say, nanga def. In Vietnam we say, banque home. In Philippines we say, kamustaga. In Portugal we say, in Greece we say, in Jamaica we say, in Costa Rica we say, in Peru we say, in Chile we say, in Samoa we say, in Papua New Guinea we say, you alright. In Rwanda we say, amakuru. In Nepal we say, timilai, kastocha. In United States we say, how are you? In China we say, ni hao ma. In Brazil we say, tudo bem. In South Africa we say, how's it? In France we say, ça va. In Japan we say, o genki desu ka. In Nigeria we say, how far. In Australia we say, how you go. In India we say, okay. Say hi. In Germany we say, in Mexico we say, ¿cómo estás? In Egypt we say, Isaiah. In Argentina we say, ¿cómo estás? In Canada we say, how's it going? In Italy we say, in Kenya we say, habariako. In South Korea we say, jalgines yo yo. In Spain we say, ¿qué tal? In Morocco we say, lavas. In Thailand we say, sabaidi. In New Zealand we say, how's it going? In Turkey we say, nasus. In Ghana we say, tzhin. In Indonesia we say, apakaba. In United Kingdom we say, you alright. In Colombia we say, in Saudi Arabia we say, in Tanzania we say, habari. In Switzerland we say, in Fiji we say, in Uganda we say, oliotia. In Senegal we say, nanga def. In Vietnam we say, banque home. In Philippines we say, kamustaga. In Portugal we say, in Greece we say, in Jamaica we say, in Costa Rica we say, in Peru we say, in Chile we say, in Samoa we say, in Papua New Guinea we say, you alright. In Rwanda we say, amakuru. In Nepal we say, timilai, kastocha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Abby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Nung makan barba ko, di ba?
Happy.
Ô ấy tí ru ấy nghe à?
Ay, bulu, inak na mo ko ba? Di mo ko ba?
Happy.
À bây giờ khai bài tí về u là nắng mà. À ít chế đôn.
Happy.
À rồi hơi kéo su in baru. Ồ, dễ đâu em ấy.
Anh chua. Lúc có lúc đấy, để ăn cơm cô.
Happy.
Say. Le, baru le. Ồ. Có là phần thôi. Cả tiếng lắm.
Happy.
No,